G'day guys, Andrew from On Track. Well, we've just the start of another week and the boys are already well into it. So come I'll do a quick walkthrough with you and you can have a look at what we're actually doing. So we've got Chris's ram, he's just come back from the Cape a couple months ago. So he's getting ready for Christmas holidays and doing another trip very shortly. So we're doing fuel filters, air filters, all that sort of stuff, wheel balances, rotations, all that sort of stuff, getting that ready for that. We've got Pete's power wagon, so we've got lots of things happening all around that. So we've got Off-Road Creative tub rack, we've got an Off-Road Creative cab rack, we've got solar panels, we've got all the electrical stuff starting to happen. So we've got a Razzler rear bar coming on this black one. How are you, Matty?
Great.
You're all good, so looking good. This one looks like it's going out today, does it?
Yeah, I think we'll get there.
Beautiful, that's what we want to hear. So, well done, mate. So, looking good. So, and then we've got Graham's Y62 here. Aaron, young Aaron there. Well, don't mind the plants because he likes growing things. Safari snorkel, some suspension, HBMC bleed, an upgrade. Yeah, heap of bits and pieces going on that. So that'll be ready at the end of the week. And then we've got an Off-Road Creative canopy down here, which we are starting to prep. So basically all the doors have been stripped off, the canopy, the toolboxes, all that sort of stuff. Got a rear winch going on in that. So that's getting prepped. That should be on a car tomorrow, and which is outside. So if you want to have a look at that, yeah, well, we'll keep you informed. See you next week.